name is Ruth and I am 11 years old. I'm a participant of the Weekend Steamboats organized by Nervtek and supported by GIZ. Throughout the past few months, we have been able to study things like drone piloting, physical computing, robotics, CNC laser cut, and 3D designing. After acquiring all the knowledge, my team and I decided that we are going to do a project focusing on CNC designing, basically on Cricut. So we decided to print out letters which can be used to decorate offices, events, and occasions. So we are going to show you how it works.